Today, I'll show you how to add the thumping beat effect, that cool pulsing effect that makes your video move with the music. First, open your project and select your video clip on the timeline. From the bottom toolbar, tap on Effects. Now, scroll over to the Beats section. Here you'll find options like Beat and Soul. Pick the one that fits your project best. Once applied, tap on the effect again to open the settings. You'll see two main sliders. The period slider controls how fast or slow the thumping happens. The size slider adjusts the intensity of the effect. And here's an important tip. If you want the effect to last longer or shorter, just drag the yellow handles on the timeline to set the exact duration. Play back your video, fine tune the settings, and your thumping beat effect is ready to go. And that's it. You've learned how to create a pulsing, music synced, thumping beat effect in VN Video Editor. If this tutorial helped, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more quick editing tips.